Okay. Uh, okay. Uh, there are many commands. You know that PW. We're still talking about the commands in Linux. Okay. PWD is show home directory where you are. If you you change directory to uh, documents, documents, documents. Okay. Now you are in a document directory. Now if you say pwd, it shows that you are in a diamond documents. Home Reza home directory, or home Reza is home directory, and then you change to directory, and then you say ls. What is that? It's in document there is f1. There is a f1 file, and then you choose change directory. This it will get you back to home directory. If you say pwd, you get back to home directory. There are some of the commands like date. Okay, they show you the date. Wednesday, January 19, and 2024 at the time, and the mountain time. So uh, there are some of the commands you got to learn this one. This is an important command. It shows you. It shows you. This is. We'll talk about it in details later. See, R for read, W is for uh, write, and then we have X for execution. Uh, so uh, there are some other commands that like man, ls. Man is one of the commands. It talks you what the options are with these commands. It shows all these. We bring later on with an example, like LSL. We just use a long listing format. Uh, so uh, and then you quit. You get back Q. You get back to this to main page. Uh, so one of the things like calendar, it say you have to install. See sudo apt install, and you write sudo apt install in cal. Okay. In installing in cal. Uh, Now if you write in cal, it shows you the date, the calendar. So every time when you write a command, sometimes you have to install it. When you install it, you got to put the sudo first, and then the rest of the command. Let me show you something about uh, let's uh, get clear. So we have the whole page here. So uh, one of the thing is who am I? One of the command, who am I? It's say Reza. When when you install Linux, then the user you the name of the user there, you have to mention it, and so that's the. You remember that PWD is shows the home directory where you are. So there are. Let's learn. Let's talk about the one of the commands, cat. Creating a file cat. You use this uh, angle bracket, and then the name of the uh, file. The name of the file is res file 1. Okay, then you can say like, hi, hello, and then with Control D or Control C, you get out of this editor. Then if you want to see that inside that file, you say cat and the name of the file, res file 1. Okay, and then you see that hi hello is there. One of the command is echo. Echo. And then you put a quotation here like my book, for example. See, it exactly write whatever you wrote in those quotation. You write echo. One of the things that, the other things that you should know about the, see, you created this file, okay, res file 1, and then there is a command ls -l. Okay, it shows these file here, whatever they exist in this file, right? I wrote this res file 1 in here. R is mean read, W here means write, and then we have X, execution, if we want to execute that file. So you go to what you do. Let's talk about some other command. We'll get back to this. Like man, LSL, CMSL, MANLS. The option, you see all the information about what are the options in this command. List directory content, ls. And then you see here L, we just use a long listing format that shows who has, you have the permission to read or write or execute permission. And then when you type Q, you get out of this situation. Okay. There are some commands that we want to talk about right now is permission. Okay. Uh, you can type let's make a directory mkdir and we call it u r, for example, and then ur is where it is. In we use pwd is in the home directory, and you say ls, and you see that ls. Let's clear this. ls, I'm sorry. And then you see that res file is in there, or dir1 be created before, or ur. We're going to show it in white dir, the same as ls, but see ur is in there. Now we change directory to ur. This is a directory. Now you are in your directory. And then you write ls l. You see that there is nothing in there. Okay? If you write a like use cat, use ur file, your file. Okay, now you can write. You say hello world. You know, you use one of the first thing you learn in hello world. How are you? Okay, and then you get out of this by Control D or Control C. Now, if you get ls, you see that your file is in there. And then ls it shows the format, you know. RWR. You have you got to know that what are these. If 0, there is no permission. X is 1, W is 2, WX is 3, 4 is R, read, 5 is R plus read and execute, 6 RW. Say so if you want to write it let's write this you say you are Uh, Look, I was gonna say that you are fine. You are. So you cannot write this. You have to use cat. You just cannot write the name of the file in the directory. You use UR file. Let's see. Ah, UR file one. That's what you, see. If you write the UR file, it's not gonna show the content. You have to use cat, as we talked about it earlier. Cat UR. You have to read the directory of UR. UR file. UR file. Okay, as we said, UR file. Okay, it showed the content. There are talk about let's write here. I'm going to show you something here that clear change directory space double dot. You get back to home directory cpwd home directory. Let's write. We say we can. Let's learn this one to echo, and then quotation. Oops, what did I do? Echo, shift, quotation. They say big book, for example, just an example. Okay, and then you put this where you put this in books. Okay. Okay. And then you write this small book, and then see, we made a file and put this in there. Okay. By cat, you can see that books. See, okay. And You can use text. Echo. Echo. Oops, sorry. Echo. Quotation. 11. And then put the number. Num. You can say that text file. Okay. One of the commands that is very interesting to know is the set command. Okay. Uh, let's say cat, to get back to these books. Okay, if you wanted to change it to a small to large, what you do? Okay, you type set L and then single quotation the we use what was that? A small to large. Okay, a small to large, and then close the quotation, and then the name of the file, books. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, try again. There is something wrong. What I did is okay. Oops. Echo. I'm sorry. Echo, and then quotation. Uh, Tiny. Book. And then you put this in the books. Books txt, for example, is the text file. Okay, so you put the echo there, enter, and then you want to change this tiny to large. Okay, what you do, first show the content, books txt. Okay, it say tiny books. Okay, now you want to change oops, yeah, I made a mistake the last time. If you set I, this is I, okay, and then single quotation, we use that S backslash the tiny, we want to change tiny to large, tiny to large, and then you use backslash and then single quotation, and then you say books txt, okay, we write this and enter. See, now you want to get cat of G what? Of books txt. Okay, what is gonna show now? What is gonna show is should be tiny to large. If I haven't make any mistake somewhere, it see, it's changed to large book. So this is one of the use of this set command. There are many other commands that you should know. History. See, the history shows all the commands that you have used before. Okay. With Control C, quit. With Control C, you quit and you get back to this, and then clear. You get back to this. So these are the things that history show all the commands that like you say you want to learn about the option in set command. See the set command, editor for filtering and transforming text. See the option we used I, okay, where I here, the suffix, edit file in place, make backup if so there are many options in there, and Q, you quit this, you quit it. Okay, the next video we are going to talk about more commands in Linux operating system.